Is Ironfish poised to move up or down? We'll find out in this video. I'll give you some price points to the downside and upside to help you miners out there decide whether you need to mine and hold or maybe mine and sell. Let's get into it. All right, so here we are on TradingView looking at the daily time frame. So first off, we look like we can see some bouncing going on right here, right around the 159 mark, 160 mark. I did draw out a couple of daily lines here, and as you can see, we found resistance over here back in November. Resistance, bunch of resistance right here. Then it finally broke through, came down, and we're tapped on it a couple times here, tapped here, and now we look like we're about to tap it again. That's going to be at about the $1.59 price point. So there does seem to be a channel growing. I've gone ahead and drawn that out right here. Downward channel right here. If we should happen to break to the upside, I've got that price point right there. That's going to be at about $3.63. If we do break to the upside, of course, that's taking it from right here, moving it right around in this general area. I'm thinking if we do, we're probably going to be going down from here. We're probably going to tap on the bottom of this channel, and then we'll slowly work our way back up over time. Maybe some about this area going to be about right here. So yeah, right around $3.60 if we do break to the upside. If we break to the downside, it's not going to be that pretty of a picture. I do have some monthly targets here on the downside. It looks like maybe 62 cents. I think the low on this is about 56 cents on this coin. I don't see this dropping way down below in here and getting into like a micro sub penny type deal. So if we do not hold this $1.59 price point, which we are approaching it right now, it's $1.68. We've got a weekly level. It's already dropped below that weekly level right there. It looks like it's might try and get back above it. If not, it's going to drop down to here. If it does break that level, we will go down to this weekly, which is also close to that daily price point right there. Going to be between $1.24 and about $1.32. I would look to see a bounce coming off of here, and if anything, it should drop down to that daily right there and should begin to start working its way up. Although we do have a lot of resistance to the upside. Let me go ahead and get rid of all of these. We'll keep that trend line in there. We'll probably go ahead and delete that for now. If you look at the visible range right here, we have dropped below a high volume area right here, and the next price point about $1.49 would be a little bit of a tick here as far as volume is concerned. If you pull out the fixed range and we go ahead and look at this, of course, we're sitting right at the bottom of this fixed range, and that's going to be dating back to about December 26th. So again, this is a very important price point right in this range here, anywhere from about $1.60 to where it is now, $1.67. If we do break below that, unfortunately, guys, I think we're going to be heading lower to the bottom of this channel right here, about $1.20-ish range. If you go ahead and look at the anchored VWAP right here, again, if we do come down here, this is where I was talking about a lot of resistance. We come back up, we got the high volume node right here. We also have the anchored VWAP coming in over time. That's probably going to go right into this high volume node. And if you pull out some more of our levels, we've got a daily level that's going to be right there as well. So a very high resistance point is going to be around the anywhere from about $2.10 to $2.20 range on this. So if we do get a bounce from here, we'll probably head back up to here slowly over time, and we're going to hit this point right here where we're going to get a lot of resistance to the upside. All right, so let me get rid of the fixed range, anchored VWAP. Let's get rid of this, and let's look at some actual price points. Again, hard low here, $1.24. If we travel down, it's going to be about right in here. Again, bottom of this channel right here. A price point to the upside, if we do go ahead and break out, again, is going to be a measured move from about right here as far as this actual channel is concerned. We're going to pop out right up to there, 369. If we do eventually over time, I would imagine that breakout is probably going to be right around in here, and we'll go ahead and pop up, which again, over the past couple of months, it seems to be roughly right around where it peaked, maybe a little bit higher over here at about the 389, 390 mark. But again, if we break out of this descending channel right here, goes up, we're looking at a price point of about 370 to the upside. If we do happen to go higher than 369, maybe it comes up to here and goes sideways for a little while. Looking up, next price point is going to be about $4.89. And from there, if we go ahead and look at pull up the monthly right here and go back, again, $4.89. It did spike way up here. I mean, it was like a ridiculous spike when at least when it loaded on, first landed on KuCoin. It's like up around $24. I don't see that happening. But if we do over time, go ahead and reach up to the 489 mark, 490, roughly in that area, the sky would be the limit after that, guys. All right, so those are my price points on Ironfish to the upside and downside. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know also in the comments, and I can do plenty more other mineable coins to help you guys out there decide whether you need to mine and hold or go ahead and mine and sell. If you guys want to know how to actually mine Ironfish, make sure you check out my video right here.